And here's something that might surprise you. Financial stress isn't just a problem for low-income earners. A study by Willis Towers Watson found that 39% of employees making over $100,000 a year still live paycheck to paycheck. Financial security isn't just about how much you earn, it's about how you manage what you have. Imagine this, money flowing in from different sources, even while you sleep. This isn't just a dream, it's a reality for many who have diversified their income. That's the power of multiple income streams. By tapping into various sources like freelance work, e-commerce and investments, you can create a steady flow of income. In today's world, relying on a single paycheck can be risky. Economic downturns, job losses, and unexpected expenses can leave you vulnerable. Creating multiple income streams online provides a safety net. It ensures that if one source dries up, others can keep you afloat. It opens up a world of possibilities for a brighter financial future. You can achieve your dreams, provide for your family, and enjoy a better lifestyle. Gone are the days when a 9-to-5 job was enough. The traditional job market is changing, and so should our approach to earning. The internet has revolutionized how we earn. With just a laptop and an internet connection, you can work from anywhere in the world. Now, anyone with an internet connection can create online income streams. From setting up an online store to freelancing, the options are vast. Whether you're looking for a side hustle or a full-time online business, the opportunities are endless. You can start small and scale up as you gain experience. Let's dive into some proven methods to get you started. From blogging to affiliate marketing, we'll explore various ways to build your income streams. Digital marketing is everywhere. It's how businesses reach customers online. Think social media ads, search engine results, and even email newsletters. The beauty of digital marketing is that you can learn and master these skills. By understanding how to target the right audience, you can promote products or services. One popular method is affiliate marketing, which we'll explore in detail later. Digital marketing skills are valuable for any online entrepreneur. They allow you to connect with potential customers and generate income from your online endeavors. Email marketing might seem old-fashioned, but it's incredibly effective. Imagine having a direct line of communication with your audience. That's what email marketing offers. By building an email list, you're creating a community of engaged individuals. You can send targeted messages, share valuable content, and promote products or services. Email marketing is a fantastic way to build trust and loyalty. This translates into consistent income streams as you nurture your subscribers and offer them valuable solutions. Section 4. Affiliate marketing, earning through recommendations. Affiliate marketing is a powerful way to monetize your influence and recommendations. Ever recommend a product or service to a friend? Imagine getting paid for those recommendations. Affiliate marketing is similar, but you get paid for it. It's a win-win situation for both you and the businesses you partner with. As an affiliate marketer, you partner with businesses and promote their products or services. This partnership allows you to earn money by simply sharing what you love. You earn a commission for every sale made through your unique referral link. The best part? You can track your earnings in real time. You don't need to create your own products. This means no inventory, no shipping, and no customer service hassles. Affiliate marketing is a fantastic way to leverage existing platforms like blogs, social media, or email lists to generate passive income. You can work from anywhere, anytime. By choosing products or services you believe in, you can authentically recommend them to your audience and earn commissions. This authenticity builds trust and can lead to higher conversion rates. Section 5. Bringing it all together. Building your online empire. Building multiple income streams online takes effort and consistency. Start by identifying your skills and passions. What are you good at? What do you enjoy doing? Once you know your strengths, explore different online opportunities that align with them. Remember, you don't have to do everything at once. Start with one income stream, master it, and then gradually add more. The key is to diversify your income and create a safety net for yourself. Section 6. Conclusion. Your journey to financial freedom starts today. It's a path filled with opportunities and challenges, but the rewards are worth every effort. Creating multiple streams of income online is within your reach. With dedication and the right strategies, you can diversify your income sources. It's about taking that first step, learning new skills, and continuously improving yourself. Consistency is key in your efforts. Stay focused and keep pushing forward even when it gets tough. Embrace the world of digital marketing, email marketing, and affiliate marketing. These fields offer vast potential for growth and success. Start building your online empire today. The sooner you begin, the sooner you'll see results. Remember, financial freedom is a journey, not a destination. It's a continuous process of growth and learning. Take it one step at a time and celebrate each milestone along the way. You'll be amazed at what you can achieve with persistence and determination. The online world is full of opportunities waiting to be explored. Connect with like-minded individuals and expand your network. So, what are you waiting for? Take the plunge and start your journey today. Your journey to financial freedom starts now. Embrace the possibilities and make your dreams a reality.